Sadly, the horrific details given in the video may be disturbing to some people, so viewers' discretion is strictly advised. Welcome to the KPM Voice, and the man laughing on your screen was a brutal dictator of African country Uganda. हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं वीडियो के नेक्स्ट पार्ट का वेट कीजिए और इंग्लिश कीप वाचिंग. This is the story of a real-life butcher of Uganda, Idi Amin. Born on 30th May 1928 in northwest Uganda in a tribe named Kakwa, Uganda back then was under the rule of Britain. It is said that Kakwa tribe is quite dangerous and have some bizarre rituals of cannibalism as well. Idi Amin's mother got divorced and moved to Bombo city of Uganda, but she was not able to give Idi proper education. So Idi also started working in young age and ended up getting a job of assistant cook in British Army. Idi learned rugby, boxing, swimming and got training of military, gained the trust of British Army by killing his own people and participating in Mau Mau revolt. Idi was fighting against Kenya and Somalia from British Army. He was so cruel that he buried opponent soldiers alive and killed them in the cruelest ways to freak them out. He eventually got the attention for his cruelties and victories of colonial army and became the second highest ranking officer in 1962. But he wasn't even loyal to Britishers and was engaged in smuggling, hence misusing his power. But when Britishers came to know about that, it was already too late, as it was the time of Uganda to be independent, hence no one could actually punish him. He first became the commander-in-chief of all armed forces. Later on, after betraying his close friend and President Milton Obote, he became the third president of Uganda in 1971. Responsible for the killing of some 3 to 6 lakh people and torturing countless, himself was a father to 43 and husband to 6 women, and no wonder, countless extramaritals. He once stated that human meat is more salty than leopard meat. He was the one who kicked all Asians, majority of whom were Indians, out of Uganda, saying he had a dream in which God asked him to do so, and those who denied going out were killed and many were thrown to crocs. Idi's doctor Kibu Ringota was the eyewitness of him opening fridge and letting him see the human head in there, with human flesh and meat. Not only that, one government doctor of Uganda who did post-mortem of Uganda's Chief Justice, who refused to follow the order of Idi Amin, stated that Idi came to his room and asked everyone to leave, and when they returned, some body parts of the Chief Justice's dead body was not in place. Also, he was blamed to kill his second wife, K. Adroa, in most brutal way, and she was 4 months pregnant. But sadly, story doesn't even end here. Idi Amin built the chambers in his palace to keep an eye on people getting brutally tortured. His fifth wife, who secretly went in one of his secret rooms, later told the world that she has seen 2 human heads in his fridge and many mutilated dead bodies whose liver, lips, nose and genitals were not in place. No wonder he is called a bloodthirsty dictator. Even I had a tough time collecting brutal details about the case. Thank you. Keep watching.